Do you want your receipt? No, thank you.
That's me, chilling with someone I just met. I love these moments, but let's be honest. Usually, it's more like I'm in line and I could say something to the person next to me, but I end up checking my phone instead. You go have lunch alone. Talking to the people next to you would be nice, but you keep to yourself. You just saw this beautiful woman walking by, but you can't think of anything to say. That happens so often, you might not even see the issue with it.
Glad you asked.
Like most people, I used to focus on the outcome. Did you become friends? Did you get her number? Are you still in touch? That's irrelevant. Don't get me wrong. I met tons of people. Friends, lovers, people I worked with. I even met a roommate in a cafe. But all of these encounters are just side effects. When you feel like saying something to someone, that moment is an opportunity to align your intentions with your actions. To be true to yourself. To meet someone and see what happens. What you really lose when you hold back is the personal evolution that each of these moments would have brought you. And one moment after the other, the compound effect is enormous. Can you imagine if you had gone through it all these times? Who would you be today? One day, it hit me. The only question worth asking is, did I express myself or did I censor myself? This realization was a turning point, a shift in perspective. And suddenly, I started to have much more interactions. Whether I wanted to give a compliment to a cute grandma, talking to some people at lunchtime, or flirting before crossing the street. This is about you. This is about expressing yourself when you want to. So if you want to give a compliment to the person making your coffee, if you want to crack a joke with someone in line, or you want to introduce yourself to someone you feel attracted to, then go for it. Because regardless of what ends up happening, you're going to experience something new, and over time you're going to learn from it. That's it for the first video. Welcome to this new channel. We're going to talk about social interactions, how we relate to each other, and what prevents us from feeling at ease with everyone we meet, especially in a time where a lot of people need to meet online, while if you just step outside of your house, there are people everywhere. You can expect videos like this, discussions, and even hidden cameras. I'm gonna leave a comment about the cool interactions I had recently, and I would love to hear your stories. That's it, see you next time.